Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Diego's Garage. And today we're going to take off the dash pad off the 2002 Camaro SS convertible I have here. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it.
You're goddamn right.
So guys, if you may know already, if you guys own these cars, 98 to a 2002 Camaro SS, Firebird, Trans Am, these tend to crack all the time. So, but in my case, it's a parts car. So I'm basically gonna part it out. So this is just a video on how to take it out. I'm pretty sure it's the same process putting one back on, you know, just reverse order. But yeah, but on this car, I'm gonna just take off the dash pad and I'm gonna sell it. It's in good condition, no cracks whatsoever. So someone with the Camaro SS or Trans Am that has these car that has one that's already cracked is a good replacement for one. This car only has 24,000 miles, so still brand new basically. Smells like new in here as well. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, first thing you want to do, get these pillars off. Driver, passenger. It's held on by these screws. You just pull it off. I'm gonna do that right now. All right, got both pillars off. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now I got access to the dash pad. Now this one, you gotta be really careful. You gotta take your time, figure it out. Go, you know, step by step, slow. You know, a little corner there. It's held on by Velcro and some clips. So just be real careful not to break it. I'm gonna take it off right now. Okay. This was pretty sketchy. But yeah, they're hanging on by clips and Velcro. All I did was just hop it off carefully. I'm pretty sure if you have an older Camaro that's been sitting out in the sun and all that, this car in this case has been in shade its whole life, but mine's managed to just pop right out. So I just need to disconnect those daytime sensors, the nighttime sensor, whatever you call it, and they could slide right out. But you can see it's already coming right out. There you go, just like that. Took it right off. It's right here on my left hand. Carrying it like if I was a server at a restaurant right now. Boom. There she is. So if you guys are wondering where this clip's at, one right here, one right here. Velcro, Velcro, Velcro. See, it came off from the dash actually. See, that's how it's supposed to be. Well, see, this is the original. See, inspected by this guy, CK, March 23rd, 2002. So there's a clip right there. So you guys have an idea. Here's the inside. Well, you can barely see it actually. Here's the inside. But there you have it, guys. If you guys are interested in this specific dash pad, this nice ebony black for the dash, no cracks, good condition, hit me up on Instagram _DiegosGarage. This is gonna be the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps. Again, please like and subscribe for Diego's Garage. See you guys in the next one. Peace.